We moved a lot, you know, as with refugee families. The minute you have another few dollars, you move up. But the house that I feel was the one I grew up in is in New Haven on Ellsworth Avenue, because that's where I spent my formative years. My grandfather was still alive and lived there with us, which people today don't quite understand what that was like. You know, one bathroom and, let's see, 7 people. I mean, it was a nice flat, the second story of a 2-story house that my father rented it first and then bought the house from the other people. It was a very, all Holocaust survivor community, practically. You know, people, you can laugh, but I guess growing up, I thought everybody speaks Yiddish and everybody's a Holocaust survivor because those were the people I knew. A shtetl community, you know, people dropping in and out constantly. Because my grandfather was the only grandfather in the neighborhood. Actually, more than just that neighborhood, but probably in all of New Haven. I'm not sure there was another grandfather. There were a couple of grandmothers. But so he was Zeta to everybody. And it was a very, you know, your aunts and uncles were like your parents, and your cousins were, and even friends were like your relatives.